Who is that, Joshua?
Mouse.
Who is it?
Mickey Mouse.
Is that Mickey? Yes? Show Mommy. Tell her who it is. Huh? Who's this? Who's this?
Alright.
No, who's this?
Mickey Mouse.
Yeah, that's Mickey.
Show him Pluto. Joshua, who's this? Joshua, who's this?
Nota.
Is that Pluto? Say it again. Who's this?
Hi.
Who is it? Joshua? Joshua, babe. Who's this?
He's busy with his sticker.
Who's this? Who are you holding? Who's your sticker?
Tita.
Yeah, who is it?
Joshua, who's on your hand? Joshua, who is that on your hand? Who's this? Who is that? Nope, not going to tell us.
Who's on your shirt? Who is that? Who's this?
Thomas.
What does Thomas say? What does Thomas say?
Very good.
Who's this?
Nota.
No, that's Goofy. Who's this one?
Nota.
That's right. Who's this one? Joshua, who's this one? Okay, who's this one?
Tano.
That's right. Who's this one?
Nota.
Who's this one? Who's this one?
If you whisper.
Mouse.
Who is that?
Mickey.
Mickey who? Who is that? Is that Mickey Mouse? Joshua, can you say Mickey Mouse?
Mickey Mouse.